Alright, welcome to another Caleo video. Today we'll take a look at how you can manage your employees and their skills and their CVs and all that with Caleo. So here I'm in a demo environment. I'm part of with the partner license working, so these are the things I have open. And the permissions that I have with this user is the company admin permission and the sales permission. So with the company admins, I can see this company page, manage permissions, organization settings, and add new employees. And with the sales, I can access assignments and search. So let's start by adding a new employee. So let's add Mikko Puumala here. And let's add Mikko Puumala in some email. So let's do that here. Then just select one site. The first name, last name is of course basic stuff, but then the email that is added here is basically an email that Mikko will get an activation link that he can also access the account. The network visibility is said that if I'm part of a partner network, let's say like Best Coders or something else, what happens is that this Mikko Puumala can be shown in the anonymous network, and then whenever some client of the partner network will find Mikko, then I will get a lead as a partner to basically see that okay, someone wants Mikko, so then they'll send me information about what's going on and then what's their case, and then we'll see if Mikko is suitable for that. But basically this network visibility means more sales generation through Caleo if you're part of a partner network. If this is disabled, then no one can see Mikko other than the organization personnel that Mikko belongs to. So basically only the sales of this organization. But yeah, let's put that as a enabled. And then this profile management, this sales and management is something that we definitely prefer. So basically sales and management and Mikko, everyone has the same level of access to the profile. So let's click save. Now we created Mikko. So if there's many people, you can just write Mikko here. And then let's go to Mikko's profile. So here, when I click this button that lets navigate to Mikko's profile, I end up in this place where I can select a role here. So let's select full stack developer, which is most likely something that Mikko is. And let's add some default levels on Mikko. So let's add 4 stars, 3 interest, and 3 years of experience for each. And then let's add that, hey, yeah, Mikko can be full stack developer, software designer, also done some front-end consultant, and also done some service designing on the side. So yeah, that's Mikko's roles. And then we can add some things from here. So let's add Python and Redux and Java and Azure and Svelte and like Postgres, for instance. We can add whatever. If we load more, then we can also add, like, let's say DevOps, if that's something that matches Mikko. Yeah, then let's add some industries. So finance, advertising, e-commerce, consulting, networks, and healthcare. And then we are with 25 items. So when I click this, we will create a CV with 25 items to Mikko. So here we are, and all the skills and industries and roles that I've added here are fitting to Mikko. We can continue with adding more things to Mikko. So let's build this profile a bit more. So let's add full stack developer here. Let's add some description about who Mikko is. This is really important for sales activities. Because when the person is proposed to something, the description should be something that really sells the consultant. Selling description. Very important. Right. Let's do that there. So we have Mikko Puumala here, and then we can set like Mikko is definitely available for remote work, and then there's some pricing for Mikko. So let's say Mikko starts from 56 euros to 61 euros. And these are only available for the salespeople, so the user themselves cannot see the pricing. So that's something that is important. And yeah, let's say Mikko is really good at Node.js, so let's add 5 stars to that, and then let's say 5 interest in that. So if Mikko is really interested in that, and I know it, and then we can add here a lot more time. So basically know that, okay, Mikko has been working a lot with Node.js. Right, so that's how you can manage the skills. It works with the same with industries and roles, so you can always open them and then edit them if you wish. And then you can add work histories, projects, education references, and languages. So basically clicking this model, you can add like, let's add company AB, and then we can say that this has started, let's say, the January of something. So let's do that here. And then it's still ongoing, so we can have like consulting here or whatever is relevant, and then the roles that the person is working. So let's say as a consultant, for instance. So that's not missing too much. And then we can add projects, so we can add like CRM development here, or if it's something else, then that when this has started. So we can add just year, so this is 27, let's say, on the that it's matching the employment. So let's add that like that, and then the customer is some customer, and then the employer is still the company AB. And the description, what happened, is basically what should be told here, and then all the skills that were involved. So let's say React and Node.js and full stack development and all kinds of stuff. So let's do that here. And then we can do industries. So let's add that this would be a consulting gig, and then e-commerce, and then the role was a software designer, for instance. And then I click this, so we have this all set up. Then we can add also education, so I can click here, and let's say we want a degree. So there's some degree, some school, and then this is done. Let's say I can add only a year, so let's say this was started at 2014, and then the end date is 2018. So we can do that, and this is description of the degree, so I can add here just a description and save that. So the same works with courses, certificates, so you can add those like here I can show. So basically I can add here like, there's issue date of basically, let's say I've done this, and then there's this like Scrum Master, and then the certifiers is some Scrum organization, that's and then there's some license number, and then we are done with that. So we can just save it. So I'm a Scrum Master. There's some references or recommendations you can add. So let's just add some. So Jane Doe, let's add that there, and then just company ABC. Very nice, and save. And then of course the language. So here mostly what is important is English and the skill level. You can see that here. So what's going on, what are the skill levels. So let's save that. And now they're set by having a profile with multiple things. You can also add a profile image by clicking it here. I'm not going to do that here, but what you get from this is that you have a full CV with things. So if I go here on top right, I click this PDF button, then I can see like, okay, this is Mikko Puumala's CV now. And if I want to create a new sales CV for some sales case, I can do that here. So clicking that, and then let's hide the profile image, and then let's hide the name. So let's do it just anonymous CV, And yeah, we can definitely hide the about section for now, and then the certificates are probably not that important, so let's go there and then put that away. And yeah, we can do whatever also with the skills, so if there's no importance of showing like SUED or Java or something, whatever it is, then we can remove those and they are reflected here. So yeah, when I'm done with this, I can just download a PDF and then I can send this to customer or whatever it is. Right. So yeah, that's how you can manage the skills. So just a quick walkthrough. So I've created Mikko Puumala. I can go to Mikko's profile here. I've added a bunch of things to Mikko, and this is how the skills management works. Additionally, what is recommended is that some resourcing is also set. So basically when Mikko is available, so I can do this by quickly clicking this plus icon here. Then I'll just say that this is a quick assignment, so I don't need to do any other things than just saying what the allocation is and when this starts. So let's say Mikko is from the start of this year, and then the end date is the year end, so 1 year project, and then let's just click save. So this means that Mikko is not available until next year. And then where this comes really useful is that if we search that, hey, who is available, let's say starting from July, so let's say that, okay, who we want to get, so it's basically we don't get the user that we added. So if we take this out and then just find whoever is in our own organization, we find that there's Mikko Puumala now with the resourcing, and here we can see Mikko skills or navigate to Mikko's profile and then see what's going on with Mikko basically from here. So we see the skills that we added. Yeah, this took a bit longer than initially I thought, but I think it was quite quick to actually see how you can add and manage all the skills and things in Caleo and what you can get out of that. Thanks.